Alright guys, hello again. I just wanted to show you a quick little video. This is how I do my cuticle work on my clients. So just really quick and easy. This is strictly about the cuticles. I don't do any kind of extensive cuticle work on them unless that is requested, and then it's just a detailed cuticle. But I'm gonna let you go ahead and get into it. It's pretty simple, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it. just wrapping up here, but I did want to say I hope that this helps you, anyone who's struggling or is curious as to how I normally do it. I hope this video helps you out a lot. Let me know down in the comments if you enjoy this kind of educational nail tutorials. And I will see you very soon. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. All right, thank you.